When a space calls for large shared tables that can handle constant use, Oak Street's Harvest Community Bases are built specifically for that job. These bases are designed for restaurants, cafes, food halls, and hospitality spaces where community seating is part of the experience and durability is non-negotiable. At the core of the design is heavy-duty steel construction. The frames are built from hot-rolled 2-inch by 2-inch square tubular steel with thick 14-gauge walls, so they are made to support large tabletops without flexing or feeling unstable. Everything is MIG welded and polished smooth, which not only adds strength, but also gives the base a clean, finished look that works well in both modern and industrial-style spaces. From a design standpoint, these bases are meant to be flexible. They are available in a wide range of sizes to match common community table dimensions, from shorter 48-inch tables all the way up to 96-inch lengths, and in both 30-inch and 36-inch widths. That means operators can scale the same base style across different areas of the restaurant while keeping a consistent aesthetic. Height options are also available, so whether the space calls for standard dining height, counter height, or bar height community tables, the Harvest base can be specified to match the seating plan. You can also choose between a slight tabletop overhang or a more flush-mounted look, depending on the design and comfort preferences. For real-world restaurant conditions, leveling is important, and these bases are equipped with large adjustable nylon glides. This makes it easy to compensate for uneven floors and helps prevent rocking, which is especially important with longer tables that see a lot of traffic and movement throughout the day. Finish options keep things simple and durable. The standard clear coat lets the natural steel look come through, which works well in industrial or rustic designs, while the optional black Sandtex finish offers a more uniform, matte appearance that blends easily with many traditional interior styles. Both finishes are designed for indoor commercial use and long-term performance. Another advantage of the Harvest Community Bases is how they integrate with Oak Street's tabletops. When ordered together, the bases can ship assembled with the tops, which simplifies installation and helps ensure everything fits correctly right out of the box. For projects that need something slightly outside the standard size range, Oak Street also supports custom sizing, giving designers and operators more freedom when laying out their floor plans. Overall, the Harvest Community Base is a strong choice for anyone looking to create shared seating that feels solid, looks intentional, and holds up under daily commercial use. It combines structural strength, flexible sizing, and clean industrial styling, making it a reliable foundation for large community tables in busy hospitality environments. Thank you for completing this module. You can learn more about our Harvest Community Table Bases and all our quality Oak Street products, capabilities, and resources by going to oakstreetmfg.com and follow us on our socials, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn at Oak Street MFG.